How can furnace leaks happen? Furnace leaks can occur due to several reasons, often stemming from issues with condensation, internal components, or improper ventilation. Here are the most common causes. 1. Condensation issues. High-efficiency furnaces with FUE ratings of 90% or more produce condensation as part of their heating process. If the condensation drain line or pump is clogged or broken, water can back up and leak. 2. Clogged or broken drain line. Standard and high-efficiency furnaces use drain lines to remove moisture. Blockages in these lines cause water to accumulate and eventually leak. 3. Humidifier leaks. If your furnace has a built-in humidifier, leaks can occur if the waterline or humidifier pad becomes clogged or damaged. 4. Heat exchanger problems. A cracked heat exchanger can lead to water buildup and leaks. This issue is serious as it can also result in carbon monoxide leaks. 5. Improper venting. If the vent pipes aren't properly installed, condensation can form inside them and leak out. 6. Internal component issues. Malfunctioning secondary heat exchangers or damaged seals can allow water to escape. How to prevent furnace leaks. Schedule regular maintenance to catch issues early. Keep drain lines clear of debris. Inspect and replace the humidifier filter if necessary. Ensure proper venting and installation to prevent condensation buildup. If your furnace is leaking, it's best to turn it off and contact an HVAC professional to diagnose and fix the issue before it leads to further damage.